Day 1 of 7 days challenge. Step 1 of Fear to Fluent 2026. Day 1 topic is Basics of English. First, alphabet sounds. In English, we have 26 letters, but these letters create 44 sounds. We have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Vowel has 20 sounds and consonant has 24 sounds. Here I noted down all sounds. Second, sentence structure. To speak English, we need a simple formula. Subject plus verb plus object. For example, I go to the market. Here I is subject, go is verb, and market is object. Now, understanding the subject. We have two subjects, singular and plural. Singular subjects are he, she, it, name, and plural you, we, they, I. Keep in mind, I treated as plural in most grammar rules. For example, we write I have, not I has. Third, common greetings. Here I noted down all greeting words, phrases and sentences which we have mostly used. For example, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, have a good day, goodbye, wish you a happy journey, nice to meet you. Now, fourth, etiquettes and polite words. Please, welcome, allow me, excuse me, sorry, it's my pleasure. That is alright. Fifth, practice sentences. I stood in front of mirror and practiced these sentences. For example, just listen, speak something, go there, stop here, stay here. Now, how to use pronoun. For example, we have a subject I and I used to pronoun as me, my, mine. I always do a homework practice when I complete my topic. On day 1, I write about my family. So here you can see I write about my family. And last one is speaking practice in front of mirror. And topic is same, my family. Thank you so much for watching. In the next video, I will share day 2 of my journey. See you soon.